Yeah. Amount of rain is actually insane. It's actually insane right now. Dude. It's in here too. That's just my window. Damn. Like, no, the rain is actually. The rain is. This rain keeps actually is just gone. Oh lord. There hasn't been this much rain. I don't know if it's gonna cause floods or something. But yeah, that's insane. Dude, you can literally put the bottle on here. I don't know why, but yo, do you guys see that flickering light? It's gone. Yeah. One thing is, the rain is actually insane. I never had this much rain since I went to the ocean. I went to the Pacific. And, oh, Canadian. Yeah. This is scary. This could cause floods. The rain literally just started too. That's the insane.